这个玩意
可以往下折一点。So we will leave like 2 pins for the power. So Jienian will be changing the schematic a little bit, and we'll add on to the layout. Thanks for suggestions. We are doing it right now. So, any other suggestions? And then you see, because we have the 2 groove here, we can connect to other sensors like moisture or some switch or display. Okay?
Yeah.
Wow. Shiny. So there's a pair on the bottom and the holes. 等一等，就是上面的那个电池的那2个孔，它是打穿了这2个 pad， 因为它不一定会贴片。
哦，
明白了吧？
哦，明白，我懂了啊。OK。
Thanks for PJ for the final notes.
那这2个点需要删掉。
Got it. I was too busy talking, and there were some miscommunication. Cool. Now we are generating the files. Thanks, Pedro, for the final notification. 我们可以看看这个3D 的这个背面3D 的。Can you see it? Very good. Thanks. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Let me check. Welcome to our live stream this time. This is like C Studio. My name is XIAO, and this is the DingDing. And I think most of people might be familiar with the last live stream. And welcome everybody to join the live stream today. So today is October 11th and Friday morning at Beijing time in Shenzhen, and here's my second live stream again. So just continue the last episode. Now we are doing the make the next gadget and review the relay box for shell. And this time we're gonna start the second phase, and we will be welcome and invite our engineer DingDing, who can do the live stream to soldering those kind of shell relay board right now. So welcome to join. And so DingDing, just introduce yourself to the audience. Say hello.
Hello， 我叫DingDing。
Yeah, his name is DingDing, and actually, DingDing is working for Seed for almost 14 years. Seed Studio is founded in 2009, and also DingDing is joined Seed in 2010, right? So almost 14 years working experience as a hardware engineering, and also the layout engineers, and who is doing a lot of C Studio products here. So yes, we have the soldering sections here. So DingDing actually have got involved a lot of important products such as Shell series and also the Jetson computer series. So he do have a lot of experience to making the PCB and board and something like this. So today, we're gonna be also invite him to teach us and one by one to hands-on to soldering everything here. So I'm really get a little bit curious about this kind of 小 board, right? So 就是我很好奇这种小的一般多久可以把这种板子我们就设计出来，从 layout 从原理图变出来？
如果原理图跟结构都确定的话，大概2到3天嘛，就做满了。
Yes, actually, I just asked a question for DingDing. Yeah, and because since to do we release a lot of bunch of the shell smart like this kind of tiny board, right? And how fast that we can design, how fast that we can deliver those kind of board to the audience is very important. So for those kind of shell board, and DingDing just told us, and when everything like such as schematics is confirmed, and also kind of 然后also the mechanic part is confirmed. Those kind of two important part is confirmed, and he only need like 2 days or 3 days to design and lay out everything for this kind of tiny board and ship it to our factory to make the first sample within like 1 week. This is how fast, like efficiency that we can make in C Studio and also in Shenzhen, right? So let's get back to more about topic, and we will be hands-on everything here, and I would like to switch the camera. Okay, so before we switch to the camera, and I would like to also answer some questions here, and Christopher is, yeah, welcome everybody. His name is DingDing, like the bell signal. It's actually in Chinese name, so you can call them at the same thing, but it's obviously the same thing as you say here. So let me just switch to the camera to our desktop right now. So now, this is actually, hi everybody, hi Burjesh. Welcome to join live stream today, and we're gonna continue the last episode and to starting to the soldering the board that we have designed in last episode. Hello everybody, good morning, and wait a moment. Let me just also try to share my screen. Okay. Here actually is the board design that we have made in last episode. As you can saw from here, and we use the KCAD to design everything. And this is a bunch of the board that we have, and this is actually the PCB design that we are making for the in this time. And what actually looks like what it have actually is we have the shell board installed here, and we have also several like groove connectors, and some of the like components such as the relays. We have also 6 relays rated here. So this is actually we have to make the full like design board last time. So today we're gonna be live stream right now to invite our engineer to soldering those kind of board and hand by hand. Okay, I can be switched back. So this is actually DingDing what we have today, and before we soldering everything here, and we would like to introduce what we have today right now. You can saw from here, and we have our like soldering area here, and also the lead-free like solders, like this one, and also we have some components. This is our projectors. You can saw from my squeeze like this. This is actually the board. What we have, just this is what we designed last time, and we have the shell board here. And if you guys have any other questions, just feel free to also let us know in the chat window, and we would like to also give you the smart like quick Q&A here. So before I sold everything here, this is actually the materials that we have as the PCB like map and the pictures and what we showed before. Also, we printed one off so that we can check the components locations one by one through this kind of like the right hand like information here. And also, this is the components that we prepare today. You can saw from here, and we have the PCB board is got prepared. We have the shell. This is SysStudio shell ESP S3C3, and also we have the 14 items here was listing and pre-install and pre-stick on this kind of like here, and we have such as so the first two that we have is capacitors such as like different like values and data switching, and we have the right LED with actually the footprint 0603, and we have a 4 male through terminal. We have 6 of them, and we also got like 4 groups like female connectors, and also 1 connector for the power supply and power relay. So this is a 6 power relay, like this is black one as I show as we shows here. And also we have SMD transistors and resistors for 4 items here and 1 as shell. Okay, so since all of the materials is pre-checked right now, and we might gonna be getting started. Okay, so丁丁准备好了吗？我们可以开始了。
好了，可以。
Okay, now so we will getting started, and DingDing will be start to soldering everything. Okay, 你就开始焊就行。
好。
Okay. 你可以不用戴，没事，你贴在你眼睛可以的，要不看不清你就
看了一下。
没事，他那个看不到你的眼睛。Okay, so do you need to remove 你需要挪动一下这些给你更多的空间吗 ？Okay. So we will get started right now, and what we have right now is we are going to be start like soldering the first capacitors. So they remove 1 of them out, and we have 8 of them. 你开始看吧。你要没开，看电脑前。And we turn on the soldering iron. 这个对温度有要求吗？就是在焊接的过程中 ，Do you have specific like requirement about the temperature?
我们正常达到370多。
为什么要放到370多度呢 ？Yeah, we are soldering the SMD by hand because DingDing is very experienced like engineer, and I did ask a question. Do you need a squeezer to like careful to place those kind of like small components into right place? And he just told me, okay, well, I don't need. I just use a soldering iron can replace everything here. So normally, when we're soldering something here, the temperature is very important. So I asked the question, so what kind of perfect temperature that you can be used? And he told me normally we can be setting the soldering area to the 370 something like degrees, and which will be suitable for the like soldering something here. Okay, you can get it started. 你如果把这个地方学的先挡的话，你可以放在一边，你把尽量往前放，往中间放。对，这个焊接可以看到，这是有一个镜头。OK， You can saw from the 今天你的头要往后一点，或者是你把这个往前，要不然看不见。You can saw from the pictures, and 这个时候就不用了是吗？Here, and DingDing is not not use the. He's also used the squeeze like to soldering everything here. This is the first capacitors that we're gonna be sold, and we have 8 of them. You can saw he's moving so fast, right? Okay. OK， 你可以那个谁。这个镜头可以调下面一点嘛，就是我们让那个看得更清晰一点啊。对。So we're gonna use our photographer to. Yeah, it is. I will ask our like photographer to have the special. 你可以往前一点，因为。OK， 因为它会挡着头。We will let our like photographer to give you the much more obvious like views to have a look how fast like DingDing can soldering everything like SMD components here. Mm hmm. 你可以把那个镜头再往下集中到这个板子上吗？我的意思，镜头。OK。那你就把那个杆往下一点。And everything, if everybody, if you got any questions, you can also let us know. And yeah, we're happy that you're glad to see it. So I just asked our photographer to adjust the camera view so that everybody can saw it very clearly. 歪了。你要把它往前放到这个中间这个位置，要否则的话它会看不见。没事，你按慢一点也可以。And after soldering the capacitors， 是焊完了第一个是吗？
第二个焊完。
第二个焊完了。See, when we adjust the camera and DingDing is already like soldering the first 2 capacitors by hand. So normally. Okay, you can get the next one. So normally, you know, DingDing just told us actually we will be getting started for soldering the small parts, especially for the lower height like components such as capacitors, resistors. So once we finish the small parts, then we'll getting started to soldering some bigger components on board. And now you can saw from here is and we are showing the actually the dialog switching here, and they got 6 of them. It's very like small, and you need also be careful to find out which part is positive and which part is capacitive. You don't need to you don't want to like make it into the opposite location, otherwise the whole like circuit board gonna be damaged, right? 焊接这个时候是不是还要注意一下那个极性？
是有些元器件是有极限的。
这个就是有极性的是吗？
啊，就是
这个极性是怎么分？二极管是怎么分的？黑色的是
黑色的，就朝这边有个箭头。
黑色的是就是是阴极是吗？红的那面是阳极是吗？Okay, so you can saw this kind of small like you can saw some this kind of small like dialog switching here. Actually, they have a two different like parts, and so the orange and the yellow part actually is the positive, and the black line and this side actually is the passive part. And you need to be careful to follow the circuit board as it shows on the scene. And we're also going to have some giveaway in this kind of like live stream. I came here all the time, never won. Yeah, you can get it, electronics like hobbies. And we will just give you the give all of the audience later and how you can join to win the giveaway. Okay. And now you can saw that DingDing is start 这现在是看见 LED 是吗？Okay. So now actually he's starting to soldering, and he's already finished the 3 of them items, and the fourth one that we are soldering right now is actually the right LED, and which actually is also really small, and also have the different like side. You need to taking care about the positive and the passive like side, to be careful to soldering to the right like position. And he's actually using squeezer to place all of them. So I have think DingDing before, and before he's soldering everything, he tried to make some like small slice of the like solders to the board, onto the board, then gradually to use the squeezer to put the components onto the board, right? Ooh, you can saw there's small smoke. Okay, the LED is finished. Then we will also need to find out the transistors. This is NPN transistors. 你要看这个吗？还是你要看其他的电子？
这个也是。
啊，可以。Okay, so this is the transistors. We have 6 transistors here, and which is actually NPN. I think the transistors is very familiar for all of the engineers, right? And NPN and PNP, which is actually the two type of normal like transistors that we have been using many circuit board, and yeah, actually it's right. It's actually based on different experience here. You know, the DingDing that we are inventing today is full of experience, and he can showing actually everything so fast. Sometimes you don't need a squeezer, just use the soldering arrow. You can just start to make this. Okay, and this is the part of the board that we have. It's really small, right? So this kind of like transistors，这个是有极性的吗
这个
？NPN 是就这个是，
因为它这个是三个角的，
三极管是没有的是吗？OK。
所以它方
Yeah,
向也不
they
会
don't
错
have this. This is also pretty small. And as I saw from here, DingDing actually when he finishes soldering everything, every like transistors, and he's resoldering again to maintain all of the components was like solded very well. As we can saw from here, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, then 我们是把所有东西再焊了一遍吗？还是怎么？你是刚你刚把
没有啊。
OK， 这个是在焊什么？
那个2.2K 的
电阻。Okay, so then we have the 4 different like resistors left here, and they seem like it's all gonna be soldering very fast, very soon. So right now we are soldering actually the 2.2 K resistors, ohms resistors, right? .所以焊接这个东西是会有一些技巧吗？就是比如说小的这种器件。
这个要多练就好了。
多练。DingDing just told us actually. I just asked him, do you have any like special skill to soldering everything here? And he just told me, you have to do more practice. This is really like useful, like how can I say the recommendations. 你往前放，人看不见。你低头下来，它头就会挡住。So now we have 2 resistors left, and actually we're almost going to be finished. And actually, this finished the smallest part, right? 就当我们把这个最后的几个 see, you can start from here, and he didn't use the squeezer and just use the soldering iron to touch the resistors and to soldering very fast. 你往前上一点，看不见。And we are soldering very fast. and resistors actually is it's also really difficult to soldering here, and you need to check it one by one after soldering everything. And welcome everybody to join our live stream today. And actually, we are continue the last episode. And in the last episode, we designed a board that we use KCAD, and which is the XIAO relay board. So this in this time, and we have this board right now, and we are soldering this right now. And by our 14 years experience, engineer named DingDing. Now we have the several resistors left, because those kind of resistors have a really small footprint, and normally it's difficult to find out and to position this kind of to place this kind of resistors on the circuit board. So he have to really careful. But luckily, DingDing is full experience, so he don't need. Sometimes he don't need use the squeezers to solder everything here. So this board actually is what we designed last time, in last episode. Now we can saw from here is we still got all right. So you can saw from here is actually thank you, Marco Master. And this is the last smallest part on board that we have, because we are soldering all of the SMD components by hand right now. And the first, actually, we are soldering the capacitors and data switching and LEDs. Then we go to the transistors, and then the last part is we have 4 different volumes of resistors. So now you can saw from here we almost finished everything here, except some of the several resistors here left. And this is actually 10 ohms. This is the 10 ohms. I think some people are going to be very familiar how to. Yeah, we actually have the battery expansion board. If you go to all of the group expansion board for XIAO board, and we have 2 expansion board, and both of them have the the battery connectors. Do you mean you want the battery included, or just only for the battery connectors pre-installed? Oh, they're too big. So your mentioned that you actually want a small board at the same size as the XIAO board, right? Am I right? Electronic hobbies. Okay, I got it. So maybe we're gonna be put this node to our product manager to see if we have some like product roadmap later. I would like to know. Okay, appreciate for your recommendations and opinion, right? So so do you have some like specific like application that you want such kind of a similar size of the circuit board? I mean, for the battery board. It seems like we have the soldering everything finished. Now this is the SMD connectors. 这是电池接口吧？ This is one of the battery connectors here. Wow, model training. That's cool. Oh, I got it. I got it because sometimes if you want to make the model training and you need use a battery supply. As I remember last time, when I was in Mexico in like 2 months ago in Mexico, joined the Fab Academy, and I also use the shell board to do the model training, and I do use 往前放一点看不到. I do also use I do also need the power bank to power up the shell board so that you can take it and connect it with Wi-Fi to capture some like pictures, photos, and collect some voice to the real applications and scenarios. I remember, this is the. Yes, I got it. It's gonna be need a good like iSet. So what is soldering tape do you recommend for this task? Can you provide it? Yes, actually, for like soldering everything here, actually you need to prepare. This is the last board actually. 等一下，都在看这个。等一下再看这个，先停一下，我们先停一下。Okay, we're gonna be like stop a little bit, and你把这个给大家展示的在镜头上，这里可以看到展示的东西。This is actually what we have. Okay, 你可以往下一点。We have actually already finished the soldering everything, the SMD part for this kind of board, and Marco Master, what is soldering tape do you recommend for this kind of task? Actually, for 他们在问就是有什么建议吗？就焊接这种东西的时候，一般情况下你是有好的建议吗？这种东西又比较小，比较难焊接。
有什么建议吗？就是这种比较小的元件吗？
对。
这个先掌握一点，就是简单的，你首先要知道简单的焊接步骤，然后再慢慢练习。首先一定是先给它这样上个楔。
Yeah, and DingDing actually is you have to acquire the basic skills to do the soldering, as you have to learn how to use the soldering area, and also you make a small piece of like solder some to the onto the soldering panels on board, and remove and place the components very careful, right?
主要还是要多练了。这种。
He just told me actually most of the skills that you need to do more exercise. OK, 你接着焊吧。
焊这个吗？还是？
你随便你就焊小吧。蛮小，我们把按照你的就。Now we're gonna be soldering the shell board, and maybe like because as I just introduced before, and we got a lot of shell board. Shell board actually is a pre-layout by DingDing himself, and the currently we have most of the shell board is actually the 6-layer circuit board, and most of the shell board actually have the 4 layers circuit board, And we have actually the latest like 2 like board, which actually is the 6 layers. And this is actually is a fully complex and integrated like secure board. So normally, you know, for this kind of a short board, you can solve from here. Is it right? It's soldering so fast. 那我们把这个焊接完了。We have finished this, soldering the short board on this kind of board. 你接着下来弄就行，接着焊。And now we have the soldering the connectors. And we try to remove the stickers because we put the stickers on this kind of components yesterday. So for most of the short board, actually there's 4 layers, and which means actually because most of short board on the bottom layer is actually backside, and there's no components pre-soldering, right? So most of the signal layers and also the secure layers actually is in the top layers. So the top layers is very important because all of the components will be placed on there, and after the top layers actually normally will be goes for the GND ground layers. Which common name for that common is terminal connect? Yes, it is the terminal connectors. And we call them actually, this is the female screw terminal grain. Maybe I can show like this. We actually have the, and we are showing here, you can saw, here we are showing is a female screw terminal grain. So, yeah, it's making it so easy because he got like full experience for more than 10 years. Than me. So the reason why those kind of components we call them a female screw, because the first they have some like screws and the female because you need to insert some of the like cables to this kind of like hole to use a screw to install everything here. This is really normally used like the female screw terminal, and as you can saw from maybe some people are going to be not familiar before. It's actually, you know, if everybody is saw it very clearly and careful before, and we are combining the alternator together, because for each of the side, actually, they have some small gaps. You can saw from here, maybe it's not that obvious here. And you can combine those kind of terminal together to put into one line. So we just separated. So you didn't notice right now. So we are trying to placing all the relay together and on board, and it's very easy to get it. Yes, Christopher. What a common name. And everybody, if you got any questions, you can let us know, okay? Yeah, I love the relay. Relay is the most basic like stuff. This is actually the basic relay that we have, and sometimes if you don't need, you also need to use the like solid relay, right? So DingDing is try to install one footprint of each relay, so that adjust the position for the relays right now. And now we are soldering it. Okay, it's very fast, and just several like footprint that you need to soldering everything. Do you need to 这个焊接完之后你需要检查一下吗？你怎么知道这个焊接完了就成功就好了呢？
可以目检一下。
Okay, I just asked them the question is, do you need to double check and how you can just examine your soldering effect is you're soldering it very well or not? So he just told me actually normally from the fully experienced engineer, you just using your eyes to check it. It's 你往下放看不清。Okay, we are finished soldering everything here, and it's very fast.
看一下这里，摘一下锡。
那是哪里？
这里。
为什么要沾锡这里？
是因为这个继电器它电流比较大，增加它的导电能力。
Okay.
加厚一点。
Okay. Okay, and you know, when we design this kind of board, you know, maybe some people are gonna be like curious about why we design the layers. If you saw from the live stream camera right now, we have an extra like place you need to have much more like soldering here to improve the electricity abilities. So you have to soldering much more, and to also add expand the wetness of the circuit, because the currency and the right. Wow, finished. Here we go. And we have finished the soldering everything here. This is actually what we have soldering here. 你还有板子吗？把这个可以放一边，然后你给大家可以展示啊。And this is what we have, right? And then you 需要把这个安装上吗？这个天线。And then we will be installed everything here. Components. Okay, 再跟大家展示呢。Here we go. This is actually the fully like 你放板子上就行。This is this is actually the fully designed soldering like board that we have right now, and the DingDing actually using like 20 minutes to soldering everything, including the SMD part. This is the shell relay board. You can solve from here. This is the front, right? We have the 6 relay terminals that you can connect, and 2 groove connectors. One of the like battery and extra like power supply. And the shell board is on board. On the back, actually, it's no components here, but they still have several like components that we have. We are trying to increase the wetness of the like circuit, so that improve the relay abilities here. This is what we have, and that's it. Do you need to add a bridge reflector? 我们要加巧电路吗？他说我们你加了reactor filter. No, we didn't actually add the bridge like reactor filter on this kind of relay board, because those kind of like relay actually is separately used, and they have actually what is that? 我看一下这是几伏的啊？5伏驱动。This is the yeah 15伏10伏。Yes, we didn't make this, and this is actually the low like power and 5 voltage like relays here that we are using here, and now this is actually what we have, and here is actually what the board that we have today, and This is what we get. So let me just get back again to and this is actually what we designed last time. This is the board design that we have made. You can start from here and the different and we have components here to soldering everything, and this is the board that we have, right? Mm, 我这个投屏可以投我的那个网站吗？刚刚那个网站怎么？ Okay. Wait. Okay, so now and thanks everybody, and now it's time to give the giveaway, right? 我们现在就要给一些 giveaway 出去了吗？ Okay, so we're gonna be continue to have the giveaway the master as the last time. And just feel free to give us the comment into our roadmap of XIAO website. This is actually our website. You can start from here, and this is the relay board that we have made. And we are encourage all of the audience to share your experience and your comments here. And please don't forget also comments your requirements. As I remember before, there's one guy want to the battery like expansion board, right? You can also place this your comments into our XIAO roadmap here, and we're gonna be select the most latest comments to give you free giveaway here today about this kind of relay board, full of the relay boards here. And also, we're going to be select some of the people to win the XIAO board in our live stream. So we have the two different methods you can get a giveaway. And also, if you are interested with C-Studio ODM services, because if you are not familiar with soldering everything here, and also you can go to cstudio.com and find our services. You can find here and the PCB and the PCBA, get PCB assembling services, and also we can do most of if you have your own idea, you want to make your own board and expansion board, you can also find us to do some ODM OEM services, right? So two methods to win the giveaway. First, please comment into our GitHub, github.cstudio, and open source hardware XIAO series. And the second method that you can win the giveaway is just please tap the XIAO in the chat window, and we're gonna be let our assistants to select some of the winners here, right? 我们要选几个人在这个评论区？没开始。Okay. So everybody, if you're still in the live stream, you can just type your XIAO in the chat window, and we're gonna be select. 我们选几个人？ We're gonna be select two of them to win the giveaway today. Okay, so everybody just hands up, and you just need to type XIAO in the chat windows, and we will be selected two of them to win the giveaway. So there are two methods here, and one you can join the comments into our GitHub, and two you can just type XIAO right now in the chat window. We're gonna be select two of you guys to win this kind of giveaway within 我们30秒后公布。We're gonna be select the two of you guys after 30 seconds, and the person who will be last, who will be the latest comments hear about XIAO will be when. OK， 那等一下你来去选就行了，是吗？15 seconds left. OK. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. OK. We will ask them to select 2 of them. 你选到了吗？OK, we're gonna be picking the winner out. Wait a moment. Okay, so the first winner is coming, named the same tags /H. You are the first winner, and which one is the second winner? 再选一个。就那个最新的吧。A second winner is actually Electro Harvest. Thanks for those kind of like congratulations, those kind of 2 winners who will win our like XIAO like board and also the relay board. And the rest of winner will be selected from our comments and in this time, and also will be selected 2 of them, several winners out in our comments. 那今天就这样 Thanks everybody, congratulations, and also thanks for your join. 啊？先别结束是吗？ So everybody, if you didn't win this kind of like board, oh, don't forget, if you already win the, yes, how do we claim? If you already win the board, you just email us and contact us in the seedlife@seed.cc to claim your reward. Okay? Don't forget to contact us to get your reward. Okay. 可以结束了哈。Okay, thanks everybody. Thanks for joining our live stream today, and I wish you guys enjoy and keep our channel get post, subscribe, and looking forward to see you again next time. Bye bye. 然后就。